All right, good evening, guys. Good afternoon, good morning. It all depends on when you're coming across this channel. Okay, this is BRAINYBITE tutorial. Okay, so what we do here is that we teach you guys the easiest way to gain admission and help you guys gain admission. All right. So we today I don't want to waste much of our time. Of course, I don't even have much. I don't even have time. All right. So our Our topic for today is how to check JAMB 2024 UTME result. Okay, I know that so many persons have been finding it difficult to check results. Okay, so I want to show you how to check JAMB, or I want to direct you on how to check JAMB 2024 UTME result. So now, if you want to check your JAMB 2024 UTME result, pull out your phone. Use the phone number. They use your phone, the phone number you used during registration. That one you used to test profile code. Okay, sorry, that one you used to test NIN to 55019 to get your profile code. Use that same number. Die this as a message. The way it is written here, die it as a message. All right, test it to this guy here, 55019. All right, test it to 55019. So ensure that you have at least 15 error. Ensure that you have at least 15 error in your balance. The 15 error I'm talking about is not the borrowed money, because so many of us, we have issue. You borrowed money and you want to check and it's not working. You'll be like, why is it not working? So it's not the borrowed money. Ensure that if you borrowed money from them, you will pay the money, then have normal recharge card or normal money in your account. Okay, at least 100 naira. Okay, at least 100 naira is okay, so that you can be able to get your result from them. All right, so that's basically what you will do. You send UTME result to 55019 and they will reply you with your UTME result. So, and another thing, if you have issue, maybe you don't have the registered phone number. I know that's what you will be asking. You don't have the registered phone number. What you will do is to message, let me know on the comment section. Then I will give you my number. Then you message me on WhatsApp. I will help you to check the result for you. All right, with your JAMB registration number, I will help you to check the result for you. All right, so I'm here to solve this problem. I will help you to check the result. So just message me. Just let me know in the comment section if you don't have the registered phone number. Or you have the registered phone number, your own is not coming up, you have to be looking for a way to check it. Let me know in the comment section. All right, I'll be right there to help you to resolve the issue. All right, don't forget that we still remains BRAINYBITE. Okay, so until I see you guys in my next video again, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's very important to us, so you subscribe. So if you like this video, you give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube will recommend it to other people looking for opportunity like this, and you still share it to your friends. Okay, share it to your friends so that I can help them solve the problem, whatever problem they are having. Okay, so if you still want to have a WhatsApp community that will help and guide our candidates for 2024 admission processes, and will help them, assist them to gain admission. So if you want to become a member, also let me know you want to become a member, so I'll be right there to add you to our group. Okay, so this is how we're ending this video for today. So don't forget, I do love and cherish every subscriber that we have here. Oh my god, I love you guys so much. You guys are the reason why BRAINYBITE still exists. Alright, so don't forget to always come to check out for updates, as I promise you guys to. I'll be giving you guys updates back to back. Alright, so I love and cherish every member. This is where I'll be ending it. be with us for today. Thank you so much. I love you guys so much. All right. Okay. Mwah. Keep winning.